Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to delete watched history on Facebook. And in order for us to do that, all we have to do is to launch our Facebook application. Then we're going to tap on watch. From watch, we are going to tap on our profiles here. And then as you can see, we have this option to tap on history. From there, we can actually see videos that we watched via on Facebook, and in order for us to remove it, can actually press on it. But as you can see, we actually don't have the option for us to delete the watched history. And what we can actually do is to head back, tap on home, and then we have to tap on the three lines here. Then we have to tap on settings and privacy, and then we're going to tap on settings, and then we're going to scroll down until we find. Then we're going to tap on here at your information. We're going to tap on access your information. We're going to tap on continue. And then we're going to scroll down until we find our activity, our Facebook activity. We're going to tap on it. Then we're going to look for videos I've watched. So you can actually tap on see more, pull down until you find videos I've watched. So all we have to do is, if we can't find videos I've watched, all we have to do is to tap on the search bar, and we're going to look for videos. And as you can see, we have that option that says, or the option that we are looking for, which is videos you've watched. And from here, in order for us to delete the videos, we can either tap on the three dots and then tap on delete, or we can actually tap on the clear watch history. And as you can see, they have given us a notification that says that they have started clearing our watch history. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.